Take a brief visit to the house. These are the East Indians or Hindus we mentioned earlier. Thrifty, patient, plodding folk. It is truly remarkable how these people from faraway India so steadfastly retain all their national traits and oriental peculiarities, no matter how distant from home they wander, or how many years or generations they may be away. This may not appear very much like a kitchen, nor the preparing of a special meal, but the results of this woman's labors will be a feast to her household. And it certainly is a feast to this little chick. This, in case you haven't already guessed it, is the local rice mill. The daily gleanings are only a few handsful, but sufficient to sustain life for the little family. At midday, everyone stops whatever work they are doing to relax for an hour or two of siesta. And instead of going to the corner drugstore for an ice cream soda, they just chop off the end of a green coconut, fresh from a nearby palm tree, and drink the cool, sweet milk. Some of the plantations specialize in bananas. This is an unusually large Trinidad banana plantation.